Good morning, YouTube. So I talked to you guys about my solar system that was installed just recently, and I just wanted to show you how they set up the boxes. So this is the side of my house. So you have the power pipe comes out of the attic down into the end phase, all right? And then all my panels up top have microinverters. And then over here, and this is actually pretty clean compared to some older systems. And like they have an older system across the street, and it's about 10 years old. And then let me get you a rooftop view here, if you can. And then I want to show you mine. So that's what they installed there. So just recently done. I know it's going to be hard to see. So just recently done. I want to show you an older system that was done a while ago. And then this is my neighbor's house, and we have similar square footage. My garage is converted into living space, and I also have an addition in the back. And then they have less wattage, so they have 8 on the garage side. I have 4, so mine are 420s. I don't know what theirs are. And then if you look at their setup here, so that is the original meter, upgraded. And then this is all the extra stuff. So breaker box, another meter, another box, another throw, and then another box. So my install is a little cleaner. And then this neighbor's, let's take a look at this guy's house. And the company who did these 2 homes, these 2, they came out and did this section first, and then a few months later they came out and did the back. Same thing here, they did the front first, and they're like, oh well, it doesn't produce. No kidding. And I don't want to get too, I don't know this guy too well, but we'll zoom in on his boxes. His install is nowhere near as clean as mine. But like I said, I'm kind of glad that I waited for technology to advance and the panels to get better, because they're probably 2 somethings, and these are 420 panels. All right, guys, thanks for watching.